Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Calista. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and leave a like and a comment. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Today's video is going to be DIY Walmart nails, and as you can already see, I did this intro after I already did the nails, so these are the ones I did, and you can kind of tell they're a little holographic. That's what we're going to do today, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's just hop right into it. As you guys can see, I got some blue ones and some purple ones. Then I got some files at the Dollar Tree, and then I got my nail clippers, some nail glue that I realized that I didn't even need because this one is just the stickers you pull off of them, and then this one says nail gun, nail glue included. Ones, I'm not sure which ones I'm going to do first. I kind of like them both. This one's a holographic type package and there's kind of some on it, and then this one I really like, but I think I'm going to do the blue ones first. So let's begin. So what you're first going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your box. And on the inside we have a nail file already, but I probably won't use it. Some nail glue, and if you don't like these ones, you guys can always buy the package of glue, which I like to use these better than these. And then this is a nail prep just to clean your nails off. And I had already showered, but I'm still going to use this just to get my nails all nice and clean. So nextly what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your nail packaging, and then you're going to want to start finding which nails fit which one of your real ones better. So I think for the most part, this is going to be the set for my left hand, so we'll begin that one. Alright, so after you guys have gotten it all figured out, what I like to do is kind of scuff up my actual nails so that way it will stick better to it. So after you get your nails all scuffed up, what you want to do is you're going to want to open your glue and get your first nail ready and just put like a drop or so on it, and then like a drop or so on your actual nail, and I kind of like smear it around. And then you'll take your nail, and then I just kind of push my cuticle back some, and then just push it down and hold it for a couple seconds. So after it gets done, then you guys can kind of get the excess glue off. So you're just going to do the same thing on all your nails. So here is one hand all done. I'm gonna have to fix this middle one. It's a little broken and stuff, but overall they look really cute. And I think it was only like $3 to $4 at Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand, and then I'll show you guys the end result. I'm all done. Here's a super close up of them. And also be sure to let you guys know how long they last, so if that deters you from using Walmart's fake nails or not. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment and hit that subscribe button so you guys can get notified when I put up new videos. I put up new videos every Saturday, so stay tuned for the next one. Bye!